saling dikemudikan mundur dan langsung diputar. Iya, dan berhasil. Percoba yang ketiga. Mana suaranya? Suaranya lebih keras lagi. Berikan semangat kepada Raswil. Kita bisa lihat sama-sama jarak antara kedua mobil semakin sempit, hadirin sekalian. Manuver J-turn akan dilakukan lagi dan
nyaris.
iya, berhasil. Tepuk tangan yang paling meriah. Oh.
Bercanda.
Yeah, tepuk tangan. Gimana rasanya? How was it?
Crazy.
That was crazy. Was he crazy? And you're crazy too, to be inside the car. Tepuk tangan sekali lagi. Wow. Okay, so that was the J-turn. You got the Guinness World Record. And what's next?
Well, I know you've got a particular parking problem here in Jakarta. I've seen out in the car park.
Yeah, I agree.
It's gridlock, so